Trust is the cornerstone of every hardware innovation, so why is your outreach built on ambiguity? When your contact data is obsolete or misdirected, you're not building relationships, you're taking a guess. In a field where accuracy and quickness are everything, a wrong guess would cost you your deals. At database providers, we are the ones who provide you with the verified and accurately built contact data for computer hardware manufacturing companies. Regardless of whether you aim at product engineers, procurement heads, OEM decision makers, or R&D leads, we will connect you with the people who make next-gen computing happen. No more mismatched messaging. No more irrelevant contacts. Just pure data that comes with intense signals and account-based marketing strategies that are tailor-made to facilitate your quick and intelligent closure. No other solution better for you. Access through our database of 400+ industries, where semiconductors, embedded systems, cloud infrastructure, emerging tech are included. Our datasets are essential for the growth of component manufacturers, device makers, and reputable global hardware leaders. Don't waste time chasing unqualified leads. Ask for a sample database customized for your business. Email us at sales@thedatabaseproviders.com.